Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing only what matters. Install Git, Docker, and Gitlab Runner, then verify versions. This prevents weird CI failures later. Create your Gitlab project and push a minimal app to main so the pipeline has code to build. Next, add a Gitlab SI. IML at the repository root, define one job to start. Once done, commit and push. Gitlab will immediately create a pipeline, revealing the first feedback. This gets you into the build loop fast. Now you flesh out the core pipeline. Define stages like prepare, build, test, deploy so jobs have a clear sequence. GitLab executes stages in order. For each job, specify an image, a script to run, artifacts to pass between jobs, and only rules to limit which branches trigger which jobs. Configure runner tags to match job tags and set CI/CD variables for secrets and environment-specific values. Make sure to run tests early. Faster failures save time and give reliable feedback quickly. Finish by adding a deploy job that targets an environment. Choose manual or automatic triggers and protect deploys to main or release branches. Use artifacts or push images to the registry, tagging with CI commit short SHA so deploys are traceable. Once done, run a full pipeline. Watch each stage. If something breaks, inspect the job log first, then verify runner connectivity and GitLab permissions, and confirm CI variables are correct. A single tip: rerun the failing job with full debug output to isolate the root.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.